Okay, looks like I went a whole bunch backwards there. Got the nose back over there. And setting up here. After I got the nose on and everything, I gotta move the block back a ½ inch. Maybe an inch. You can see it a little better over here on this side. What I want is about a ½ inch in between here. Right now I got an 1.5 inches. So if I bring it back an inch, it gives me the room to get an electric fan in here with the radiator. So I don't know if you can see my marks there, but everything will slide an inch back and come up probably 1.5 inches. I'm going to bring it all the way up to there, and then I'll check it underneath. Put a level on the carburetor to get it real close to where she's going to set it ride height. So on those you set them to where the carburetor's level. The motor will always be up a little bit, but the carburetor's got to be level. My goal is to get a ½ inch above the frame from the oil pan and the tranny pan, so nothing can hit. Plus, up front, have enough room to put the radiator in. I'll have to use a 32 Ford chopped aluminum radiator. And I'm trying to get an electric fan behind instead of in front of it. I really don't want to put it up front. If I have to, I have to, but that's my goal. They work better if they're behind than if they're up front. Plus, these old Chevys, GMs, everything on this front end is all riveted together, and it's all real thin stuff. That's what holds the whole front end together. If I take too much out, start hacking crazy in here, this front end is just gonna wiggle woggle everywhere, and it'll be real hard to lock it down. And I've already had to cut an extreme amount. There was 2 big ducts in here that brought the air in. I had to cut them all out for that steering box, and that steering box, as you could see in that other one, fit right up, right close to that edge. I mean, it can't go any farther. And my stabilizer bar comes through here. My sway bar, whatever, comes through here. Sits up right about there. I gotta cut probably from here down. This comes off to make way for my pitman arm that comes in here. It's hitting now, and my idler arm on this side. And then when I get that cut, I gotta shave just a little bit off of this side so that my radiator can just slide right in here, the new aluminum one. So that's the goal. I know where this all sets now. So now I'll finalize the motor. Get it set where it needs to be, blah blah blah. Set it for this way so it's nice and square in the car. Weld it all in, build my cross member, tranny cross member, and raise them motor mount perches up. So that's where I'm at. Hopefully when you see it next time, this will be back on there. Hopefully.